a course to you last week in Church Business Administration, and this week we're just going to dive into Unit 1. You know the course is set up with 6 units, and the way those 6 units come down into our course is you're going to have 5 sessions in Unit 1, you're going to have 6 sessions in Unit 2, 3 sessions in Unit 3, 8 sessions in Unit 4, 3 sessions in Unit 5, and 2 sessions in Unit 6. And so it's going to be, each unit's going to take a few more weeks. So Unit 1 we're going to be in for a couple of weeks, and then Unit 2 we're going to be in for about 3 weeks, and then we'll be in for about 2 or so weeks on Unit 3, and then about 4 weeks on Unit 4, and then a couple of weeks on Unit 5, and finish out the semester for a couple of weeks in Unit 6. So just want you to know that it's going to be a little different as we try to get through all the sessions and the content. I'll be helping guide you through this process with announcements and emails to help you understand where we're at, which sessions we're talking through, and be able to dialogue together about those. But this week, I just want you to understand in Unit 1, after the introduction, you get into the biblical foundation for administration and just the business functions of what we do in the church, and just see that there are some biblical foundations in how we treat facilities and how we treat financial matters and human resources and different things in the body. It's nuanced between cultures and different environments, but we're going to look at a biblical foundation of why do we have order and organization and policy in what we do. That's going to go into our other session in session 3 of documents for the church administrator, just things in the administration of the church that you need to have a grasp on, that you need to know where these documents are. You need to know how to handle these documents, when they were approved by the church, if they've been recorded in all the official offices, even sometimes with local and state municipalities, and even at the federal level. In America, we're also going to walk through those documents of what does it mean to get those updated and maintain those documents once you've established that they are in existence and working in the environments they need to. Then we're going to go into the church organization manual. The downloadable PDF for the church organization manual is available to you free of charge from Dr. Welch, one of my mentors in church administration. He has made that manual available to you in this course for free, and so I hope that manual is a benefit to you and your ministry as you look to have your own organizational manual in your ministry and your church. And so we'll walk through the aspects of that manual, what components need to be in that manual, and what it looks like to create your own or look at the one you already have and to make it better in the days ahead. Then we finish out Unit 1 in a couple of weeks. We'll wrap all of it up with developing policies and procedures. And we'll talk about a policy as one of those things that is because something is continuing to come up in your church, and therefore you need a procedure of how to deal with it, how to take care of it, and how to administer that. And so we're going to walk through policy and procedure and what that looks like in the local church, and when to develop a policy and when to have a procedure for that policy, and sometimes just to address those issues for your ministry. So hope you dive in. You're going to be doing some case studies, some discussion boards with each unit. This unit is going to have one of those. So next week, you're going to do a discussion thread with a case study and related to some of the documents of the church, and talking about your context and sharing that with your other colleagues in the class. I'll be dialoguing with you in discussion board on the course shell, and then always I'm available by email at jdean@nobts.edu to answer questions, to dialogue with you, or feel free to call my office. So glad you're in the class, Church Business Administration. Praying for you this semester. Welcome to week 2.